Hi everybody, it's Amalia, and I'm here with an update for the Zine collab, the Zine collab, Z-I-N-E, pronounced zine like magazine. That's mostly for me, folks. I'm always mispronouncing it. But we have a swap going on right now on my channel, and it's a thankful or a gratitude zine, and I've done two previous videos. One was a live explaining what a zine is and inviting everybody to join the swap. I received a couple of swaps. This all was inspired by Dee Willingham. She did a Halloween swap, and this is the zine that I made for the Halloween swap. And I sent my original one in. This is a copy, or it's another version of the copy, and that was received, and I received my swap, which is just beautiful. This is when witches, and I got some little extras here, go riding, and when witches go riding and black cats are seen, the moon laughs and whispers, "'Tis near Halloween." How cute. This is all original art from Vicky Yeager 5, and she's on Instagram as Vicky Yeager 5. Dee Willingham is on YouTube, and this is from Vicky, Art of Vicky. So she hand drew all of these and then created the design. Absolutely beautiful, and I'm so thrilled to have it. So the Zine that I'm sponsoring, the swap, is a one. There she sent some goodies along as well, some additional ephemera for Halloween. Thank you very much, Vicky, or if that was from you, Dee, thank you very much. I've received 3 so far. These are the 3 that I received, and I got an extra because somebody sent me another copy for me to keep. Thank you so much, Kathy. And so what I'd like to do is update you on the swap and invite you also to join in on the swap. So this is a 1-for-1 swap. All you have to do is make a zine and mail it to me at the P.O. box listed in the description of this video below, or you can see it in the About section as well, and mail it to me. The original due date was... gosh, I didn't even remember the original due date, but I think it was the 30th or Thanksgiving weekend, which is basically Monday. The 30th is the day after Thanksgiving weekend. But I wanted to extend it, mostly for my own selfish reasons. I am not going to be able to meet the deadline myself. The holidays, even though it's an unusual time and things are promising to be very quiet, they've just come up on me really quick, and so I need to extend the deadline. So I'm extending the deadline to have it to me, to my mailbox by December 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. December 12th. So that is a Saturday, right? The 5th is a Saturday. The following week is also a Saturday, and that's 7 days, and that's the 12th. So I'm extending this to the 12th, and I apologize for those of you that have already sent me your Zines to extend the deadline. But as soon as I get all the Zines in, I will definitely mail them out that following Monday. So again, it's a 1-for-1 swap. You make your Zine, you make a copy, or you can send the original if you like, and you send it in, and I'm going to send you back one that one of the swappers has sent. So I will put the 2 videos. One of them was a live, so it's a couple of hours. You can speed through that to get the gist of the Zine. But I also did one called Hallowzine, and that gives you a little bit of an explanation and how to make a zine. But you can also look up on YouTube how to make a zine if you really need more feedback on that. Let me show you the ones that came in already. This is from Kathy Siren. Kathy is from Iowa, and she's a friend of mine. from a annual retreat that I go to. And this is her sign. Live your life thankful. Beautiful autumn colors. It looks like it's watercolor maybe. And this is all her original art. It says, today will never come again. Be a blessing, be a friend. Encourage someone. Take time to care. Let your words heal and not wound. And this right here is one of her original watercolors. She is a beautiful, fantastic artist. Here's another one, original watercolor, and another original watercolor here. This one says, I am in harmony with all the people, places, and things that surround me in this world. I am at peace. Grateful, thankful, and blessed. These three pieces are also her original watercolors. Aren't they beautiful? So there is always, always, always something to be thankful for. And that's her last name. Her first name is Kathy, and she goes by Dragonfly Smiles. I don't think she has a YouTube page. I'm not sure if she's on Instagram or any social media, but this is also her artwork, and I just love her art. She does amazing, amazing work. And so that's Kathy Siren, designed by Kathy Siren. That's from Kathy. Thank you, Kathy. And Kathy sent me an extra one. I appreciate that so much. You didn't have to. And this one is from Tamara. Tam Bitcoin. And this is also her original art. She sent me this card, which is also her original art. Isn't that amazing? It's a printed card of her artwork. And I just love her pieces. But she does a lot of this sort of stained glass, quilted kind of looking art that is absolutely amazing. She sent me a pumpkin a while ago. She sent me something else recently, a little bird or a chick. And I just love her pieces. But her sign says, I am thankful for my supplies. Amen. They have been keeping me sane. I haven't gone to a Michael's or well, I went to Dick Blick once. But they have been keeping me sane. And here's a pair of scissors. So she draws something, and then she does like a quilting or something around it. Here's her ink bottles, her scissors, her paint brushes. Very cool. These are binder clips, her colored pencils, her paint, and of course her favorite glue, which is called Cocina, I don't know. But that's from her. This is beautiful. Thank you, Tam. I love the colors on this, and amazing, beautiful work as usual. This one is from Susie Fick, and Susie, she was on the live with us, and she said that she could do it, or she asked maybe if she could do it like making a card. And I said, absolutely. If your zine is anything you want it to be. So she used stamped and colored images, and she made like each page kind of like, you know, a card front, which I think is an absolutely amazing idea. And then thankful for you, so cute. Thinking of you, friends and family. Life. Celebrate the good times. Lily, pets. Celebrate, let the good times begin. Thankful for my job and home. Amen. Amen. And you are awesome. Susie, November 2020. Thank you, Susie. This is so cute, so precious. I really love it. And it gives me some really great ideas for some super card fronts. And I'm trying to hide my little math over here and anything else that I might be showing inadvertently on the camera. So, so these are the Zines that I've received so far, and I hope you guys can join the swap. I have to make my own zine as well. Again, I have my P.O. Box address in the description, so just send your zine to that address and we'll swap it out for another one. If we don't get many people, any more people sending in, I will do the swaps as they are, and I'm fine with that. This has been so much fun to do for me, making a zine and receiving everybody else's, and I'm looking forward to swapping them all out. Thank you so much, everybody, and I appreciate you stopping by. Please join the zine if you can. Thanks, everyone. Bye.